Hello, students. In this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. You will have 20 seconds to read these questions carefully. After the time is up, an audio clip will play. Please listen to the audio attentively, as you will need to answer the questions based on what you hear. Sarah had always been meticulous about her journal. Every day after school, she would sit by her desk and scribble down her thoughts, dreams, and frustrations. It was her way of organizing her mind, her private little world. But one day, something strange happened. She couldn't find it. "Mom, have you seen my journal?" Sarah asked, her voice slightly shaky. Her mother, busy in the kitchen, replied, "I haven't seen it, honey. Did you check your bag?" Sarah had already looked everywhere: her bag, her locker, even under her bed. Panic started to set in. That journal was her private space, and the idea of someone else reading it made her anxious. What if someone had taken it? At school the next day, Sarah felt distracted. Her friends noticed. "Are you okay?" Lisa asked during lunch. Sarah shrugged. She didn't want to explain. The idea of someone reading her innermost thoughts was terrifying. As she walked through the hallways, Sarah noticed some of her classmates whispering and laughing. Her stomach churned. Could they have seen it, she wondered. Feeling queasy, she couldn't shake the fear that her personal secrets had been exposed. After school, Sarah decided to check the library. It was the only place she hadn't searched. She wandered between the shelves, eyes scanning for anything out of place. Then, tucked behind a row of dusty books, she saw something familiar: her journal, hidden between two volumes. Her heart raced. She grabbed the journal, opening it nervously. To her relief, nothing seemed out of place. Her words were still there, intact, untouched. She flipped through the pages and saw no evidence that anyone else had opened it. "How did it get here?" Sarah muttered to herself. As she left the library, clutching her journal tightly, she couldn't help but feel a strange sense of unease. It was as if someone had placed it there, waiting for her to find it. But who, and why?